Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today ay nandito tayo sa Christchurch, New Zealand. As you can see at my back, talagang piling-pili na po yung kasi na ngayon, mag-spring na siya. So yung ating nasa likod ay ito yung mga sample ng cherry blossom na white. Meron din po tayong makikita doon na pink. Pero as of now, if you can see sa ating paligid ay medyo green na siya kasi tagsibol na. Pero at least meron pa tayong nadatna na as in total white. Imagine kung may yung buong o buong park na to, sobrang laki tapos sobrang daming cherry blossom, napakagandang tingnan, no? So it's my first time na makakita ng cherry blossom dito sa New Zealand. Iikutin pa natin yung Christchurch at itong park na to dahil ito yung isa sa mga pinupuntahan ng mga tourist, itong park na sobrang laki at sobrang linis. Ito talaga yung pinaka na-observe ko dito, sobrang linis, as in ang ganda tingnan. Okay, let's explore. Let's explore kung ano pang makikita natin dito sa Christchurch, New Zealand. Abu Dhabi to Sydney, Australia. Meron pa tayong 6 hours. Destination Sydney. Tagal pa tayo, naka-halfway pa tayo. Meron pa tayong 6 hours. Hi guys! Andito na tayo sa Sydney, Australia. Naghahanap tayo ng ating transfer. OMG. 8:15 pa naman natin boarding. Wala talagang 8:15. Ito yung flight ko. 8:15. So ayan guys yung ating flight. Ano tayo? Timura. Hindi man kasi yung eyeglass sa airport. Pinanila natin naman. Hi guys. So ayan na nga, bumalik tayo ng airport dahil naiwan yung aking eyeglasses. Sana nandun pa rin yung eyeglasses ko kasi mahihirapan ako. Ay. Pwede na pala ito. Diyan pala ako no. Alright, Christchurch, New Zealand. Ang linis-linis ng daan dito, no? New Zealand, guys. Linis ng daan. Wala daw alip-kabuk. Tapos ang daming mga halaman dito. Kaya siguro dito yung bahay nila papunta sa Kinaabsut. Ang lalaki ng mga bulaklak. Ang ganda tingnan, no? Grabe. Daming flowers. Oh, may pa-iced tea si Mayora. Sa siya. Round map. So nandito kami guys sa iced tea yan. 50,000? 15. 15? Depende din. Taro, ano sa'yo, Tin? Ay, parang masarap din to. Good morning guys. Good morning. Good morning, it's rainy today. It's official second day. Yan. Pag mag-New Zealand kayo, mga taga-Riyadh. Ang ganda ng buhay dito, Day. Ang lamig. Umuulan.
Mamaya init na ito. Four seasons in one day.
Nag-post ka na, Ben? Hindi ka pa nag-post?
Instagram.
Sa Instagram. Nag-post ako sa Instagram.
Buwelo pa lang siya, nandun pa lang siya.
Yan, nandito na tayo ngayon. Ano tawag dito, be?
Castle Hill.
Castle Hill? Wala tayong masabi kasi walang research eh. Nagbablog ka pa.
Mag-research
Kaya nga. May mga snow naman pero mabibilang. Yan oh. Maaano mo rin siya, mafe-feel. Di ba? Brighton, New Brighton. New Brighton Library. Oh, Christine. Kaya.
坐下了羊驼呢，然后现在已经洗好了，它心情非常好，它才会坐下来。坐下的羊驼是比较容易接近得到的，但是每一只都能摸。单侧吃的时候能摸，但是一定要记得马桶正面接近，不要让它
Baka sipain tayo. Ay, di ba si... Uy, ang bata baka sipain. Ang cute no. Sana ko. Yan. Hindi talaga sila natatakot. Saan?
Yan, ito. Brown saka brown. Yung may
Ito?
yung isa sa gitna nila.
Dito? Nag-uusap sila dahil. Natutour din pala to. Yan. Anong tawag sa kanila? Alpaca?
Nasa gitna ng alpaca.
O sige, ako. Doon katin sa taas. Kasi umiihi siya dahil.
Gusto ko sanang yakapin kaso baka mangamoy.
Umiihi.
Si ate nga oh, hinigaan na oh.
Ay, laban na laban.
Wala nang laba-laba eh.
They might jump for the food. Please don't raise this one up your head or alpaca's head because when they look up, they might jump. And we don't take this post chase alpaca because they will definitely chase you. And if you have no more food, you just come to us. We have more. Okay. Oh, and very important thing: if you have 2 or 3 big alpaca, you heard. That's that they are ready to spit. Oh, so because they spit, they need a little bit time because they come from tubby. You just close your lids, show.
Yan.
Ay, ayaw na niya. Nag-change lang kami ng camera, be. Ito naman. Wag na, ayaw na din niya.
Hindi na.
Ayoko.
Naintindihan pala niya na pag ganyan mo wala na. They're alpaca, right?
Yes, that's alpaca.
Wow. Shal po. Shal.
Pakakainin ka lang ng turista, ikot-ikot ka lang.
Nalilito din. Alam niya yung mga pangalan. Ito singkit.
Si Rui.
Si Rowie to.
Rui.
Ito si Rofa. Rofa! Rofa anak ha, wag kang magulo.
Si Annabelle yung isa.
Si Annabelle pala. Ang jingay niya, be. So, nandito kami sa farm. Hindi legacy, apaka legacy. Alpaca legacy. Ito pala yung ano nila, guys. Ito yung mga shred ng ano yung balahibo ng alpaca. Tapos ito yung mga product na nagagamit, nabubuo. Tsaka meron pa silang ganyan. So ito pala yung company. Shamara Legacy. Timeless Tale. Actually marami pa silang mga ano. Meron din silang ganyan. Mga damit. So mga shawl. Ganyan pala. Meron ako nabiling ganyan. Pero medyo may kamahalan lang. Like for example, this one, $65. So mga 120 reals, 130. Ano siya, medyo mahal. Ito yung mga product. Ay, yung mga ano nila oh. Para kung gusto kayong magbuo ng sa inyong design. Ito yung alpaca, ang cute. Ito yung ano, may mga different colors din siya oh. Ano siya, diba oh. Yan, paka-cute. Siyempre, kaya nga tinanong ko sila kahapon na kumusta yung life talaga dito? Yung totoo, yung balance, like may ano ba kayo? Like, social life, ganyan-ganyan. Sabi niya, okay lang din naman daw. Pero parang feeling ko, hindi ko naramdaman.
Meron naman, gumagala naman kami. Saka madami kami leave. Kung gusto nyo. Ako lang syempre.
Hi guys.
Makagala sila, pero yung ano, when it comes to income ang ano, mahirap na makahanap ng passive income dyan. Kasi dito maraming racket. Kung masipag ka dito,
Sa US.
maraming racket. Oo.
Tsaka dito sa
New Zealand,
Timban. May siopaw pala dito, Abs.
yung parang yun.
Yung personality dito, dapat ano ka yung tahimik na type. Parang hindi ka bagay dito. Good morning, guys. Here we are today. Today is official day 3. Nandito po ngayon sa New Zealand. Particularly, nandito tayo sa Christchurch. So today ay gagala kami sa Botanical Garden. Tingnan nyo dito oh, ang mga garden nila. Meron sila dito mga halaman. Tingnan nyo yung ano niya. Environment niya dito yan. May mga halaman dito sa kanilang front ng kanilang bahay. Ano siya? Nakakain ba yan?
Hindi yan yung ano.
Nandito tayo sa booking ng tram. Sasakay na kami kaagad. Hindi okay na dito. At least open. Hi, parang puti ko dito tayo.
Ha?
Puti ng ano.
Over to the right, the Pequots. Up there in the end.
Ano na, puti ko dito.
Hangin kasi.
Kaya nga. Dito kami sa train ngayon. Yan to, old train tram. Tapos iikot siya within the city. Nandito makikita natin ang ano guys.
Acknowledged.
Ano yan, Day?
Library ata.
Library. Tapos, yan yung city. Ito yung city nila. Ito na sila, mga tourist din yan.
They're going to swap it over for the next Melbourne tram. Tram number 244, which will come here shortly.
City tour. Hello. Ay, meron pang ibang. Kailangan pala ng 6 people. Tramways.
Right over to the right. In a full repair and refurb there. Opened as Noah's Hotel, 1973. 2011, after the earthquakes. It's a Rogers Hotel, and it's getting a full makeover now, and will become a shell building was going to come down.
Lagi namamatay.
Right, on the left here, have a look up above the door. See the lion and the unicorn, coat of arms of the Public Trust building.
Ito yung ano, kanina. Bridge na memory bridge.
And that is stop number 3, Middle Island. It was a 3-storey working flour mill. To the right, 1959 through 79. Island. We're pushing for the name of the sheikh.
Yan yun.
But the Brits lost that battle, so Avon it is. So 41 bridges cross it now. It's 26 kilometres long. Springfield.
So, yan
And
yung
starts its flow from an aptly named suburb called Avonhead, head of the Avon. That brings us into stop number 4, down the lane to the right. The Riverside Market, 3 levels of food and drink there.
May income dito.
Best fish and chips in town.
Yung company na yan.
Wonderful pie selection at the
Maganda
butcher shop. It's great. Lost 70% of our inner city buildings. Only 3 were able to remain. Along here, building with the Rollickin Gelato Cafe, it had earthquake strengthening completed 2 weeks before the earthquake. Ayatir Gift Centre, being a newish building, just needed a new frontage, cosmetic repair.
Ay, maganda din pala dito.
And the only other building to survive was the Valentine's department store up here on the right.
Mga department store pala to dito. May mga
And
dito.
in the new build, they've incorporated some
pinaka-brand
very
pala sa
interesting
New Zealand?
laneways and inner courtyards to the right and left.
Okay. Yung mga ano, mga signature bag, ano, wala.
Wala. Pero mahal.
And we're getting into stop number 5. So Valentine's quality department store on the right.
Parang malamig. City Mall tayo.
Number 5, 1 block to the right to the bus interchange, and on this side of the road the entertainment complex. 7 Hoyts movie theatres, 10 pit bowling, mini golf, and lots of eateries there.
Country Road.
Right, down the lane to the right, Market Lane. Across to the bus interchange. Fully stocked
Market.
galleries,
H&M,
shops there,
oh.
cafe, and
Si Kuya. Just,
supermarket down the end. Fresh Choice Supermarket.
yan o. Target lock pa dito. Yan o, yan o. Tingnan mo.
Stop number 6.
Marami siyang stop pero parang ang lalapit lang. QB. Ang lamig, ang hangin. Ang dami mo rin pala dito mabili, oh. Sasha. Switch. Shawarma. Tada! Lays, Metro. So, nandito tayo guys sa ano, Christchurch. Naga tayo nag-iikot sa Within the City. Kaya nga.
Okay, yeah.
Parang may ano tayo video na. Diba? Tagal niya magsalita. Yan. Pag-go niya.
Right down to the left, behind the new apartment building under construction, is our 30,000 seat multi-use covered stadium.
Nagdi-discuss sila.
Now it's due to be completed April next year. Cost $683 million. We're told the whole project is on time and on budget, and that's not something we've heard a lot of in our rebuild. We look forward to that. It'll be multi-sport. And major music concerts, and it'll be home to the Crusaders rugby team. Now scheduled to open Anzac weekend next year for the start of the
Yan.
Super Rugby competition.
Ayaw nga. Hangin.
So they've renewed all these services, all the infrastructure beneath the roading.
Ganda ng ano. Oo. Uniform. Diba? Ikot-ikot lang tayo.
Right, Duck Central. It's a great brew bar here, great food, atmosphere.
Ang hirap,
And that's
ang hirap intindihan.
getting us around into stop number 7.
Hindi ko masyadong intindihan.
On the left, have a look on the ground, you'll see 3 solid bronze Corbies out for a run there. One's down to dropped ice cream.
May stop na.
That is stop number 7. So if you're looking for the little high eateries, across the road to the left, across the right, wonderful cafe set up in the old Post and Telegraph office building.
Sa gilid.
Stop number 18. New Regent Street opened in 1932. Spanish mission style. No shortage of food or drink here. The cafes and the Waffle House, sandwich bar next to that.
Cute ng mga bahay ibang color. Pastel color. What? Stop na naman. Hi guys! So nga, ngayon ay nandito tayo sa Bridge of Memories. Italy, Pacific, Atlantic, Europe. Erected by the citizen of a Christchurch in grateful remembrance of Canterbury sacrifice. So ano siya? Bridge siya guys na nag-aano siya ng parang efforts ng mga citizen, mga people sa Christchurch. Yan. Meron siyang water dyan. And then yan. Parang ito yung iconic nila kasi ang pinaka Bridge of Remembrance. So, ayan. Meron siya ditong Mesopotamia, France, Belgium, tapos meron ding Palestine, Egypt, Gallipoli. So, Bridge of Remembrance. So, ang dito guys is stone bridge with a sculpted triumphal memorial arch to those who died in World War I. So, yan. Ano siya? It's in remembrance for the World War I. Yan ang kanyang sense. Di ba? World War I pa yan, Jai. Talaga naman. Laban na laban. So, meron din siya ditong mga ducks. Yan nag-aano sila. Nagpapakain. May water flowing. May mga nakalagay din siya, no? Ganyan. This seat is dedicated to the memory of members 27th Machine Gun Infantry Battalion. 1939. Ay, grabe. Napaka. Pero parang feeling ko naman, na siya? Modern na. Yan guys, The rosemary, that's for remembrance. Diba? Tapos may mga na dyan. Yung kalihera na yan sa tapat, na yan, mga shopping center. Yan boss. Diba? Social. Alright. Oo. Yan talaga siya. So, sacrifice and sorrow, our city, remember. Symbol sacrifice, thousands of men crossed the river here to their way to the battlefield in the World War I. Thousands did not return. After the war, leading to the memorial, architect William Gobber designed the arch, the country's only memorial arch on the bridge. It restrains classical style, is enhanced to Frederick Guernsey's elegant carving. Napaka memorial. Yun, yung pagkagawa pa nila dati. Yan. Ang ganda. Yan ang pagkasulat nila. Scan for more. QR code. Tapos ang ganda din ng mga bulaklak. Ay, bongga. Tapos may mga kabataan. Kabataan party list. Bongga. Ang ducks.